Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your watch history inside the TikTok application. I'm going to show you how to delete single videos or also the entire watch history of the TikTok application that you have. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing that we need to do is load up the TikTok application. Once TikTok is open, we want to navigate to our profile, which is in the bottom right-hand corner. Give that a click. From here, you're going to be presented with all your various different things that you would have associated with you, right? All your videos that you've uploaded, your reposts, all that kind of stuff. We're not interested in that. What we want to do is want to navigate to the hamburger option, top right-hand corner, the three lines. Click on those. From here, we want to go down to settings and privacy, which is the last option. Give that a click. From here, we want to scroll down, I believe, until we can find the Activity Center. This is under Preferences. Give Activity Center a click. From here, you're going to be presented with all of these options. The very first one is your watch history. Give that a click. That's going to load up all of your watch history for the TikTok application. This could be vast or it could be very small like you see here with mine. Now, there's a select option in the top right-hand corner. If you select that, it's going to allow you to select one of the videos or multiple videos and then hit the delete button in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll hit that and it's going to say delete selected watch history. We'll continue to keep your watch history data for some time to optimize your experience on TikTok. So basically that means it's going to be removed from your watch history, but they're still going to use that history, even though you've deleted it, to enhance the experience of what you can see on TikTok. You'll click delete and it's going to remove that video. Now, the same process can be done when you want to delete your entire history. Select the select option at the top here, and then at the very bottom left, it says select all watch history. If you toggle that, it's going to select everything. And then you can go ahead and hit the delete button. Again, it's going to present you with another pop-up message. It says delete watch history from the past 180 days. Again, we'll continue to keep your watch history data for some time to optimize your experience on TikTok. You can click the learn more if you want to know more about that. Otherwise, you hit the delete button and your entire history has now been erased. And that is it. That is how you delete your watch history on the TikTok application. This will work for both iPhone and Android, so if it has worked for you, make sure to smash that like button. Any issues, let me know in the comments down below. But for now, you can subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.